lies in your gut. Welcome to today's video, where we uncover the extraordinary power of skin-gut cell turnover and how PrimeBiome can revolutionize your health. If you've been searching for a way to rejuvenate your body from the inside out, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Imagine your skin as a constantly evolving masterpiece, old cells making way for the new. This process is called cell turnover, and it doesn't just keep your skin glowing, but also supports your gut's beneficial bacteria. Together, they work as a dynamic duo to restore your youthful glow, boost your metabolism, elevate your energy and well-being. But what happens as we age? This process slows down, leaving our skin dull and our health lagging. Enter PrimeBiome, the game changer that supports this vital mechanism and helps you feel and look your best. PrimeBiome isn't just a product, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It supports gut health, strengthens beneficial bacteria for better digestion and reduced bloating, enhances skin radiance, promotes youthful, glowing skin from within, assists in weight loss, simplifies the journey to a healthier, slimmer you, fuels vitality, boosts your energy to help you tackle life with renewed enthusiasm. Meet Sarah, a busy professional who struggled with her weight, digestion issues, and dull skin. After incorporating PrimeBiome into her routine, she experienced a remarkable transformation. Her weight dropped, her skin glowed, and her energy skyrocketed. Just imagine what it could do for you. Pause for a moment and think. How often do you consider the health of your skin and gut in your daily routine? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Plus, tell us one small change you've made to prioritize your health. Today, we've unveiled how skin-gut cell turnover holds the key to healthier, more radiant living. With PrimeBiome, you can supercharge your journey toward optimal health, glowing skin, and effortless weight management.